Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert Excel sheet in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open Canva and then you're going to choose sheet here. And if you want to import your data or insert your data, you can go to the actions menu. Okay, right here, quick action, and you can select import data. And I'm going to upload my Excel file, and I'm just going to choose random file from my gallery. Let's try this one. And then you can add your file to the sheet. I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to click on replace current page. Okay, and this is the result. And you can edit it here. Okay guys, and that's how you can insert Excel sheet in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.